Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I want to talk about math module in Python. So without further ado, let's start writing code to see what this module can do. So at first we need to import the module. So import math. Let's calculate cosine, sine and tangent. Value of a number. So print math dot cos. And then math dot tan. So this is trigonometry. Okay, so this is cos 0 is equal to 1. This is sine 90 is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So now let's just copy this line. We can also do the inverse. So calculate inverse cosine, sine and tangent value of a number. So print math dot a cos to do the inverse. So for 0 we got 1. So now if I provide 1 here, we also have to repeat this for sine also we got 1 here. So sorry, a sine, not sine. A tan. So we have to provide, this is basically 1, but we want to provide exactly what's happening. So for 0 we got 1, for 1 inverse separation we will get the same. Now for clarifying these two, let's individually see this math dot pi by 2. So we can see the same. So math dot pi, again I think same. Okay, now let's calculate hyperbolic cosine, sine and tangent of a number. Print cos h for hyperbolic. Print again, let's copy this value. So this is the hyperbolic cosine of 1. We get this value, same for sine and tan. So this is what is happening here. exp 1 plus math.exp minus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula of hyperbolic cos. Sorry, forgot to put the bracket. So you get the same value like this one. For sine, formula is similar, just we have to replace this plus and provide minus. So this 1 is basically this one. Okay, so this will be hyperbolic sine. Sine, I think same with this one. And finally math.exp minus 2 into 1. So we can consider this 2x and we can consider this x. So 1 minus e to the power minus 2x divided by 1 plus e to the power 2x. Sorry, e to the power plus minus 2x. So this is hyperbolic 10. So I guess the same value as this one. Okay. Calculate. Just to see. We can also calculate inverse hyperbolic. So print math dot a cos h for inverse. So we have to provide this one. Similarly, print math dot a sin h. Type this one. A tan h. Type this one. So we get the inverse value. We get these values. Okay. Now calculate arc tangent. In radians. So we can do this by 8 and 2. 10, 5. 10 is y, 5 is x. So we get this value. So basically this is doing this math dot 8 and 2. We get the same result. Now let's perform permutation. So math dot perm for 2. So this is basically the NPR formula. So the way this works, n divided by n minus r factorial. Let's convert it to this one. So this is the formula. So this is n is 4, r is 2. So math dot factorial 4. This is n factorial and math dot factorial 4 minus 2 n minus r. So we get 12. So this is what this function is doing. Now let's calculate total number of combinations. Math.comb, again the same. So this is NPR and this is NCR. So the formula of NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Let's convert this one. So dot factorial, this is n factorial, dot factorial, this is r factorial, so r is 2, this is n, this is r, multiplied by dot factorial n minus r, so 6. So this is what this function is doing. Now calculate factorial of a number. Dot factorial 4. So 4 factorial means 4 into 3 all the way up to 1. So we get 24 in this way. Round a number down to the nearest integer. We can use mathmodule. So nearest integer is 2, and if you want to do the opposite, instead of down you want to round a number up to the nearest integer, we have to use the seal. In that case, the nearest integer, it is rounding up to the and it is rounding down. Okay, now return value of first parameter, sign of second parameter. So there is a copy sign function. So minus 81. So returning the value of first parameter, value is 80, second parameter sign. So here the sign is plus, so this is because plus 80. Convert from degrees to radians. So math.radians. So the formula is, this one is this one, multiplied by pi divided by 180. This is the formula for converting 1 degree to radian. We can do the opposite as well. Convert radians degrees, math.degrees. So converting 1 radian into degree. So the formula is, this is 1 degree to radian and this is 1 radian to degree. So 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, 1 degree is equal to 0.017 radian. So in this case the formula will be this divided by math.pi. So you get the same result. calculate Euclidean distance math.test so on to 3 4. So this is basically doing this operation math.square root 1 minus 3. So x1 y1 x2 y2, so x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So this operation is done by this function. Now calculate absolute value of a number math.fabs minus 100. So the output will be 100 because this is absolute value. Now calculate the remainder of a division operation. So math.fmod 7. So we get 3 as remainder. 3 times 7 is 21 and 24 minus 21 is 3. This can be done by remainder option as well. So get the same output. Now calculate mantissa and mantissa exponent of a number. I have no idea what is this mantissa thing is. So if REXP 10. So what is happening here is that this is our mantissa value. This is getting multiplied by 2 to the power this exponent. So we get this input as a result. And when we pass this, we get these two. Now calculate x multiplied by 2 to the power I. So math.ldexp 4 2. So basically this is happening here. 4, this is x multiplied by this is 2 to the power I, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2. We get 16. Now let's calculate the error function of a number. Math.erf 10 returns a value between -1 and 1. So you get 1 for this. You can also calculate the complementary error function. Complementary error function of number. So in that case, it will return a value between 0 and 2. So let's give -100. Sorry, not ERF, ERFC. So we get 2. Now let's calculate the exponential value. So this the exponential e to the power 2 is basically this value. You can check it by math dot e to the power 2. So you get the same value. We do not need to worry about some extra digit. So calculate exponential value minus 1. So math dot expn1 2. So basically what is happening is that math dot e to the power 2 minus 1. This is what is happening. We can also do it this way, minus 1. So this operation is happening here. Okay. Calculate the sum of items. Sum, let's provide a list 5. So 9, 12, 14, 15. We can also provide a tuple instead of list. This will still work. So our tuple calculate the gamma value of a number. So math dot gamma. So 5. So basically this is n minus 1 factorial. By calculating gamma value is equivalent to n minus 1 factorial. So math dot factorial 5 minus 1. N is 5, so we get 24. Calculate log gamma value. Math dot L gamma 5. So basically this is calculating gamma, then taking log. So log will be outside, inside will be gamma. So it is the same value. Again, extra digit, it's not a matter of concern. This can be further divided into this 5 minus 1. Same. Check closeness of two values. Math dot is close. So 1.0, 1.1. It's false because they are not close. They are not same. But if we change it to 1.0, then it's true because they are same. Check whether a number is finite or not. Math dot is finite. So we'll get true because 100 is a finite number. But if we change 100 to infinite, math dot inf. Infinite is not a finite number. Copy this. Check whether number is infinite or not. So is 100 is not an infinite number, so this is false. But Let's check is whether is infinity an infinite number. We will get true because infinity is an infinite number. Now let's check whether a number is nan. Nan means not a number. This is not a number. So math dot is nan 100. We get false because this is a number. But math dot is nan, math dot nan. This is not a number, so we get true. Calculate the square root of a number. Math dot sqrt. So the root over 5 is equal to this. Okay, now round the square root of a number to the nearest integer. In that case, ISQRT. So this is rounded off. All the fractions are gone. Now calculate natural logarithm. So math dot log. Now calculate base 10 logarithm. Math dot log 10 2. So calculate natural logarithm of 1 plus x. Math dot log on p 2. So basically this is doing this operation. Math dot log 3. You get the same value. This doesn't matter. Finally calculate base 2 logarithm math dot log 2. We get 1 because this is 2 to the power 1 comes in the front, and log 2 to the power 2 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Calculate math dot power. So this will calculate 2 to the power 3, we will get 8. Calculate product of elements math dot prod. So 4 multiplied by 5 20, 3 multiplied by 20 60, 60 multiplied by 2 120, 120 multiplied by 1 120. Return the truncated integer and .trc 99.99. So this part is gone. We get the truncated integer. Find the greatest common divisor between two integers. math.gcd, greatest common divisor. So we get 10 as output because using 10 we can divide both 20 and 10, but using 20 we cannot divide 10. So 10 is the greatest common divisor. Okay, then calculate hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Math.hypot 43. So this is basically the Pythagoras theorem, I guess. So this is more like height square plus base square, and we have to take the root over of this fellow, so we get 5. Check constants. So there are some constant values available within this module, so we can get the returns the value of 5. Math dot this returns infinity, positive infinity. Math dot e, this returns the exponential value. Sorry, not exponential, this is the Euler number. And this returns the value of tau. Finally, nan returns nan value. So this is the value of pi, this is positive infinity, Euler number, tau, this is nan. And tau is basically this thing, pi multiplied by 2. So this is the tau, and we also get the same value using dot pi by 2. So these are all the operations that's available in math module, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.